Okay, we're going to put a normal wood in here now. That last test was extreme, and it passed. Alright. I'm wondering, did it get hung up on the bottom part of that blade? See, I didn't even have to complete the stroke on that one. Grab another piece, let's go off to one side. Okay. Now, is it catching on the bottom at all? Is that what happened with that last piece? So, see how it got stuck in that branch? That's when you stop. There's no reason to fight it, you know? Like I said, you can't crush the grain of the wood. This is great for the wood stove right here. There we go. Looks like it's passing through just fine. Look at that. I didn't even have to go full stroke at all. I'm just doing like a third of a stroke. I'd say she's happy.